Work today is fast-paced, complex, and overwhelming. Too many apps, too much data, not enough time. Imagine a world where your AI assistant handles the busy work, so you focus on what truly matters. That's the power of Microsoft Copilot. And with G6, you don't just get Copilot, you get a tailored productivity strategy. We help you deploy, integrate, and maximize Microsoft's AI to fit your workflows. From collaboration to compliance, G6 ensures Copilot transforms your workplace, boosting efficiency, creativity, and decision-making. G6 Technologies specializes in helping organizations unlock the full value of Microsoft Copilot through strategic assessment and alignment, licensing guidance and procurement, onboarding and implementation, user empowerment and training, and end-to-end Copilot support. Microsoft Copilot plus G6 Technologies is ready to build your AI journey. Let G6 team guide your Copilot empowerment from strategy to execution.